Hey guys, on today's video, we're gonna taking a look at your battle pass. So let's get started. Right here, our second tab, we're gonna see our battle pass. Now, in order to claim rewards, yes, you guys can just tap on the first option where it says battle pass rewards. From there, you can claim one at a time. So this would be page 1. Move on to page 2. So you just keep going to the right, and then just keep claiming one at a time. Again, you can claim one at a time or all together. For all together, you're going to see on the far right hand side on the bottom, it says claim pages. I'm going to tap on square for that. And this is my page 2. So in order to unlock this skin right here, I do need to claim everything around it. So that means I need to claim this right here, this. Need to get my V-Bucks, this, and this. Again, I need to get all that in order to unlock this. However, if I claim the entire page, I'm good to go. So I'm gonna do exactly that. Hold X to claim the entire page, and here we go. By the way, if you don't see these screens right away that you are getting your stuff, just go into a match, get out of the match, and then everything should refresh. Closing Fortnite, opening up again, restarting your console, all that will just refresh things so you guys can see everything that you got. Because a lot of people tell me that they claim stuff, they don't see it in their locker. That's all you have to do. Anyways, we're just gonna go and equip this, equip that, equip that, equip this. Well, we can't equip. This we can equip. This we can definitely equip. And obviously the awesome skin. Let's go. We're gonna equip that as well. So right now we officially got every single thing out of here, which includes our V-Bucks, the back bling, right here, the spray, and obviously the skin. Now if I move on to the next page, to the right, I'm gonna see all this stuff. Now, obviously you need enough battle stars to claim everything from here. So again, I'm gonna go into claim pages, and I can see to claim all this, the total price is 35 battle stars. So that means I can claim all this. So again, we will be getting this awesome spray, some V-Bucks, this wrap, some music, this awesome pickaxe, and we are unlocking this skin by getting all that. Anyways, let's just claim everything like we did before, and we can go ahead and equipped. Just notice that I'm equipping things and not saving it, but that's alright. And we're gonna equip this as well. Equipped. This awesome style. Again, as long as you guys claim everything, you will see that you get everything that I'm looking at. If you skipped out on something, then you're not gonna get everything. Here we go. Alright, so once again, we did get this. We got the spray, V-Bucks, wrap, some music, this awesome pickaxe, and obviously the skin. Now let's move on to page 4. Now on page 4, if I click to claim pages, I'm gonna see this, that it costs 38 battle stars, which I don't have. I have 24 battle stars, which means I can only claim up to a certain point. So I can go back and claim just a few of these, but I won't do that. Because what I like to do is claim everything at once, and I won't be missing out on anything. By the way, to get up to page number 3, which we just did, I am level 35. But anyways, as far as this video goes, we're all done. If you guys have any questions, comments, you guys can write down here in comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you.